This is how to use image to image in Leonardo AI. Here you'll see an Upload an Image to Get Started button. This allows you to upload a base image that Leonardo will use as a reference. Once your image is uploaded, you can check your previous generations by selecting the Your Generations tab. Here you'll see all the images you've generated before. If you don't have any previous generations, this area will be empty. Leonardo AI also offers a Community Feed tab, where you can see images generated by other users. This feed is great for finding creative ideas or styles you might want to try with your own images. Simply scroll through and click on any images that catch your eye to see the prompts used and get a feel for what's possible. Next, let's take a look at the Follower Feed tab. This area shows images generated by people you follow, allowing you to view and gather inspiration from their work. Right now, it might be empty if you're a new user or haven't followed anyone yet. As you start following other creators, their generated images will appear here. In the Collections tab, you'll find another way to organize and save images. If you've saved any generated images into collections, they'll appear here. If it's empty like shown here, simply create new collections and start adding images. Returning to your generations, pick an image you want to use as a base. Click on the thumbnail of your preferred image, and you'll see it highlighted with a check mark. Once selected, the image is ready to be edited. Leonardo AI will use this as the foundation for the next steps in your creative process. Here's the starting point. I've already uploaded one of my old images to use as a reference, and you can see where my cursor is highlighting the prompt box. I've typed in the description, "Create a samurai from the future with red armor and a black sword." This will guide the AI in generating a new version of our base image, keeping these specific elements in mind. Leonardo AI has generated a few different versions of the futuristic samurai based on my prompt. Each one has unique details, but they all follow the core idea of red armor and a black sword.